Hello and welcome to OneSub tutorial. My name is Ayman. I'm part of the OneSub support team. In this video, we're going to learn about the user attributes. Basically, user attributes allows you to categorize the users on your OneSub account based on certain characteristics such as language, area of expertise, location, etc. Now, suppose you are a financial advisor organization with multiple financial advisors who deal with retirement planning, investment planning, and wealth management and are spread across different parts of the world like the USA, UK, or US or Asia. Now, in this scenario, you can add multiple user attributes to the advisor according to the area of expertise and the location they are based on. This makes it easier for the clients to filter among different advisors based on their needs. To set this up, let's log into our OneSub account. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner, go to user attributes. Now here we can create a new user attributes by clicking on create user attributes. We can enter the attribute name according to the filter we want to have. For example, we want to filter according to the location. So let's enter the attribute name as location and save. Now, in the location, we want to give multiple location options such as US, UK, etc. So we click on the location, click on add new option. So the first option we can give is example USA. Now, in the USA, we know that we have two users based on USA. So in the associated users, we can select William and John, example, done, save. Now we can give another option. We can give another option as say Asia. And in Asia, we know we have, for example, Ayman as the user. So we select Ayman, done, save. We can also give a third option. We can click on add new option. And let's give UK as another option. And in UK, we can have Seema as an option. Save. Now we can also edit or delete any option by clicking on the three dots besides it. We can edit or delete the option altogether. We can also rename it. Let's click on edit. We can rename the option name. We can also check or uncheck any users and then click on save. Likewise, we can delete it by just clicking on the delete option. We can also delete or edit the attributes by clicking on the three dots besides the attributes. So we can either rename it or we can just delete it by just clicking on the delete option. Similarly or likewise, we have created another attribute which is the service provided. So in the service provided, we have given three options which is the retirement planning, investment planning, and wealth management. And according to the service provided, we have associated users to them. So in the retirement planning, we know that two users provide this, which is John and Seema. So we have added John and Seema there. We also know the investment planning is also done by John and Seema. So we have added these two users in it. And in wealth management, we have added Ayman and William because we know that Ayman and William provide the wealth management services. Now let's see how it applies to the booking link. So if we go to the booking calendars, we see that we have all the advisors who have their own booking calendars according to the availability. Now, for example, each of these booking calendars is listed under your main booking hub, which is added on your website. Now, let's go to the booking hub, open our booking hub. To ensure that your client selects the correct advisors, we have created two attributes already, which was location and service provided. Now we want to display it here, so we can click on the on button here and we can select the attributes we want to be displayed on the right side. By clicking on the attributes, we can select two options here, save. Now let's see how it opens on the booking link. So let's go to our booking link. So we see we have an option of filtering by location or service provider. In the location, for example, our client chooses Asia. So in the Asia, they will only get a meeting with, they'll get an option of meeting with Ayman. If they likewise choose UK as a location option, they will only get an option of meeting with Seema. Similarly, if they choose USA as an option, they will get an option of either meeting with John or William. For example, they chose the location as USA. Now, the second option is the service provided. Now, in the service provided, after selecting the location, they want to have an investment planning meeting. So let's say they have an investment, they select the investment planning, they will see the the user attributes would filter, and the option that will be displayed will be meeting with John. So in USA, the investment planning option will be only scheduled with John. Likewise, if we choose the wealth management option instead, they'll get an option of meeting with William. And if they choose the retirement planning, they'll get an option of meeting with John. Now, this makes it easier for the clients to choose who they want to meet with, and it ensures that the clients choose the appropriate financial advisor without any issue or manual intervention. I hope the user attributes were clear from this particular video. If you have any question or any query, just reach out to us at support@onestop.com. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a very good day.